So here's the final belt squat. So as you can see, well, let me give you a close up. Why am I doing it this way? So you can see I have, that's, I don't know, however many mats. I think that's like 30 centimeters plus that blue. I've got 2 carabiners here because this is the one I clip into. It gives me a bit of extra wiggle room so I don't have to bend down as much. Big carabiner up to this one. This is a King of weighted strap. And then I've got this any dip belt. I've got the King of weighted one with another carabiner. And what I do is, so I think there's like 20 kilos on there, which isn't great, but like, who knows, man, it's just for fun. So, got the top, and it could even be a little bit higher, but then it'll be even harder to clip on. So I'd have to add another carabiner, but then it would reduce my range because well, there's less distance between me and the bottom then because it's just shortened by the carabiner length. That makes sense. So that is now 30 something kilos. Just clip onto the second carabiner here like this. And I should probably do it down here. So I can use this bar even to help myself get up. There's no weight on me now. Weight's all on me. Unclip this one, that was easy, and put it wherever, put it there. Now, watch that your hair doesn't get caught in there for all my long-haired friends. But then, so I'm gonna, if I go all the way back, if I lean back, I've got all that range, and now it's just come off. I can start from the bottom, from the top, and I could do that anyway if I wanted to. It's a lot more stable, like that. You can see, and then all I would do is just clip back on. There's no, all the weight's on me now. Now if I just come down slowly, all the weight is off. Unclipped, so I was clipping into that one, but hopefully you can see how that would work, my friends.